This tutorial will help you on how to receive Bitcoin on CashApp Mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up CashApp, go to the middle hand screen and click the magnifying glass icon. Underneath Discover, click the search bar. Type in Bitcoin, lowercase, one word. Click the first option, Bitcoin. Click the third option next to sell, and then click Receive. You can copy the QR code by clicking on the top right hand screen. In order to access the address, you have two different options, the Bitcoin address or the Lightning invoice. You choose. You can add an amount that you would like to send over. You can even create a note and then click Done. Once you're happy or satisfied, click Next. CashApp will confirm the amount of Bitcoin you will receive. Go to the top right hand screen and click Copy. You can copy the Bitcoin address or the Lightning invoice. Go to the cryptocurrency app or website that you would like to receive Bitcoin. Paste the Bitcoin wallet address and then click Continue.